Ever wondered why water quality is so crucial? It's a question that often slips our minds, yet it's fundamental to our health and well-being. After all, water is not just a thirst quencher. It's the lifeblood that keeps our bodies functioning, our gardens flourishing, and our homes running smoothly. Now imagine turning on your tap and instead of clear, refreshing water, you're greeted by an unpleasant smell or a murky tint. Or worse yet, what if harmful contaminants lurk unseen? For those who rely on well water, this is not just a hypothetical scenario. It's a real and pressing concern. Contaminated well water is a widespread issue, affecting countless homes across the globe. Consider this. The ground beneath us is a complex network of minerals, chemicals, and biological matter. As rainwater seeps through the ground, it can pick up these substances, carrying them into our well water. From harmful bacteria to heavy metals, pesticides to petroleum products, these contaminants can lead to an array of health issues, including stomach illnesses, reproductive problems, and neurological disorders. But there's a silver lining to this cloud. You can take control of your water quality with one simple, effective strategy: annual well water testing. Testing your well water once a year helps identify any unsafe levels of chemicals or bacteria. It's like a health checkup for your water supply, ensuring you and your loved ones aren't unknowingly drinking contaminated water. Think about it. You wouldn't skip your yearly health checkup, would you? So why skip checking on the health of your well water? Testing is straightforward and affordable. SoftPro Water Systems offers this service and have certified labs that can do the job. So here's the bottom line. Water quality matters. It matters for your health, it matters for your home, and it matters for your peace of mind. Don't leave it to chance. Make a commitment to test your well water annually. Remember, a simple test today could save you from a host of problems tomorrow. So don't wait. Take the first step towards ensuring a safe and healthy water supply and contact SoftPro Water Systems to get started. It's a decision you won't regret.